Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Translate on your device and confirming the app is up to date. This avoids missing voice options. Once done, pick your source and target languages so the app loads relevant voices. Tap the speaker icon to hear the default voice and verify audio output. If you're using the web, open Translate. Google, calm and sign in for saved preferences. Make sure your device sound is unmuted and output is set to speakers or Bluetooth before moving to voice selection. Now access voice settings so you can change the speaking style. On mobile, tap the menu button, open settings, then voice to view available voices, rates, and pitch controls. On web, open the gear icon or rely on your browser's text-to-speech settings. Choose a different voice from the list and adjust speed to make speech natural for your content. You might see multiple regional variants. Pick the one that matches pronunciation you prefer. Test short phrases as you tweak settings to confirm changes. Finish by saving your selected voice and testing with full sentences to confirm pronunciation and pace. If the voice doesn't apply, restart the app or clear its cache, because temporary data can prevent new settings from loading. Make sure your device's TTS engine and required language packs are installed. Install or update them via system settings. One troubleshooting tip: if audio still fails, toggle Bluetooth and speaker outputs to rule out external device routing. Then reopen
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.